begin. Pick a topic and start talking from our little kids.
Hello, good afternoon. Today is a special day filled with joy and fun. Our dear friends have been ready to pick and talk content. Let's enjoy the beautiful event. Now we are inviting the students. 5 in Naushin, Darsha, Sajua, Zua onto the stage. 5 in, please come forward and take a load. My topic is Chachachi. Good afternoon all. I am Frazin from FKDF. It is Jawaharlal Nehru. We call him Chachachi. He is the first Prime Minister of India. His birthday is November 14. Celebrates Children's Day. He loved children very much. He loved rose flower. He was freedom fighter. Thank you. It's time to welcome Zarsha. Zarsha, please come. My topic, food salad. Hello friends, good afternoon. I am Zarsha Lazi CK Jakaziya. Today I am going to tell you topic food salad. Are you like food salad? I like food salad very much. Food salad is healthy food. It is important our body. Food salad include foods. It is lot of vitamins. Many diseases can be avoided by eating food salad. Food salad is yummy and tasty. Food salad give energy for health. So many food salads in food salad. Apple, orange, banana, watermelon, dragon fruit. It is a thank you. Thank you, Zarsha. At last. Now invite Sajua. Sajua, please and take a lot. Good afternoon. My topic is my school. I am studying in Malabar International School. There are so many teachers and students. Our principal is Abdul Kafoor sir. I love my school because I have many friends. I like to play in our park and tower. We have a robot in our AI lab. We have too hot for outdoor activities. I'm so happy to study here. Thank you. Next, Naushin. My topic is water. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, friends. My topic is water. Today I speak about water. Water is very important in our life. It is very useful. Water for drinking, cooking, washing. Don't waste water. Thank you. Next, I invite Zua Fatima. Good afternoon. I'm Suha Fatima. I'm going to talk about the car. The car is red vehicles. My favorite car color is red. My favorite car is Jeep. It has 4 wheels. It has 4 doors. It has usually 5 seats. It needs fuel for running. The fuel can be petrol, diesel and gas. It is very useful way of transportation. Thank you. Have a nice day. It's a wonderful contestant. Thank you, dears. You are outstanding performance. Thank you to all. Bye bye.